birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May 3 wishes
Oh, kuya. Tigtaan.
You're eating.
Marami ang natuwa at nakaalala na isa sa mga prayers at wish ni Chris Aquino ay umabot siya sa 18th birthday ng kanyang bunsong anak na si Bimbi. Kaya naman marami ang natuwa dahil naabutan nga ito ni Chris. Dahil last April 19, 2025 ay nagdaos nga ng ika-18th birthday. Ilang mga photos at videos din ang pinakita ng celebrity makeup artist na si RB Chanco. Narito ang kanyang kwento at ibinahaging mga litrato. Bim, you're 18 today and it's hard to put into words how proud I am of the person you've become. You've always had a quiet strength and a gentle heart. No matter how much you've grown, you've stayed kind, grounded, and full of love for the people who matter to you. Your mom once said this might be the last birthday she gets to spend with you, and that stayed with me. But I truly believe that as long as you're by her side, she'll keep finding the strength to keep going. You've given so much of yourself to her, and that love is something truly rare. You're a gift to your family and to everyone lucky enough to know you. I've seen how real and good your heart is, and I'll always be grateful to be part of your life. Beam, 18 just the beginning, and whatever life brings, I know you've got what it takes. Happy 18th birthday, Beam. I love you, and through every season and every version of your life, I'll always be here for you. Bumuhos din ang pagbati ng happy birthday para kay Bimbi. Nagbigay ng pagbati sina Bianca Gonzalez, Mark Nicdao, Vina Morales at marami pang iba. Nalungkot naman ang ilang mga netizen dahil sinabi nga ni Chris na baka daw ito na ang last birthday na makakasama niya si Bim. Pero patuloy naman ang players na ipinapaabot ng maraming mga fans ni Chris Aquino at umaasang makakasama pa siya ng matagal ng kanyang mga anak at patuloy na paggalinga ang panalangin para sa Queen of All Media.
What's your wish?
Ha?
What's your wish today?
I can't say, syempre.
Siguro wish ano?
I can't say. But it comes true.
Love you, babe.
Love you too, RB. Thank you.
Happy birthday, babe.
Love you.
18.
I'm...
Oh, wait.
Picture mo na daw.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday